All right, so what we hope you're noticing is that this image of women and what they're supposed to be, that is potentially still being carried forward, and again, is not all bad, right? But what we're saying is that this image that's being carried forward of women, as you just realized, is not a realistic one. Okay, Utah has one of the highest rates of women who work outside the home. Utah has a higher rate of divorce, okay? And it has the lowest rate of women going to and graduating from college, resulting in a really low rate of women in high education professions and a very high rate, 35% of single women households that live below the poverty line. So where's the harm in sending the message that that's what we're supposed to be? We can see that, right? Now, I'm never going to allow anybody in my presence to say, well, I'm just going to be a mom. Okay? Even if your ultimate goal and what you're aiming for in life is to be a stay-at-home parent, which my sister is, and I worship her. Okay? Hardest stinking job I've ever done. Right? I've got a doctorate. I'm a full-time professor. I teach 7th grade, people. Okay? Hardest job I've ever done by far. My education serves me daily. My profession serves me daily. And if I didn't have those, I would not be the parent I am. Right? Okay.